Alright y'all, so I'm about to do my nails really quickly. This is my first time ever doing this. This came in a kit. I got it from Amazon. This is the XCOATTIPS kit. It literally comes with this here. This is how you cure the nails. But yes, this is the gel glue, builder gel, the top coat, which of course, you know, makes it all shiny and pretty. I'm going to plug up my UV light real quickly. Luckily, I have a plug right here. Perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna put this right here. They say only you're supposed to cure this for like 45 to 60 seconds. So yeah, again, this is my left hand. I'm gonna put them all in chronological, well, in finger order. So that way it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And again, this is the actual nail itself. It comes with 150 pieces. It's like five trays of nails, and there's plenty left to, you know, repurpose and all that good stuff. So yeah, these are my actual nails right now. I am going to cut them down, and then I'm going to buff them a little bit so it's easier for them to, you know, adhere to this. I'm a little nervous because first of all, your girl don't be doing nails like this. Like, I'm a nail girl, but I'm not a nail girl. Like, I'm a little too rough and tough to be a nail girl, but I'm trying. Alright, so it actually comes with instructions. It says 28-day plus lasting. Like, what? So yeah, these are the instructions. And yeah, 10 minutes for salon quality. So we're gonna see if this actually takes 10 minutes. For me, it may not. It may take a little bit longer, but we got time. We ain't going nowhere tonight. We just pampering ourselves. I chose a nail tip, apply nail glue, and then stick onto your nails. Full dry cure for 45 to 60 seconds. So again, I think that's what that is. Alright, so now nails are now clipped. So they do have a actual like a buffer here. I already have one, I'm not gonna use that. Alright, so they're ready. So first, it says instructions. First things first, I'm the realist. But two, first we do the gluing. So we glue the nail down and hold for 45 seconds. So I'm shaping it up. Alright, so make sure you file down that little tip. There's a little tip right here. Just file that down. There's a nail glue. You know, it's a little thick, ain't she? How thick you thick? Apply it like so. And hold. So it says connect USB tap power for a 60 seconds cure, or press and hold power button for 2 seconds for 120 seconds cure. But I'm excited. Am I really gonna have these nails on for 28 days? I doubt it, because I just know me. I'm way too active. I be boxing and shit. And I'm like, ugh, nails with boxing? I just don't know. That motherfucker's on there, y'all. It's on. It's literally on. So, it works. We just gotta make sure that we actually have it on. So I took that off. I'm gonna scrub that off. And we're gonna try this again. I say press it down inside and then let it go. Perfect. Okay, we got it now. Looks good. All right, let's do the next one. I just love how this color is almost a color of mine. Like it's a little bit deeper, so it makes it look like I have like a polish, but it looks so good. All right, so I'm gonna finish the whole hand, and then I'm gonna go to the other side, and I'll show you the final product with the top coat and everything. And as you can see, we are now done. Literally completed all of that. Definitely took longer than 10 minutes, but hey, it was probably the most like 45 minutes. I just kept having to get up and do stuff. But yeah, got a salon style nails right here in your own home. I think I paid for this kit. It was like what, $30 something. But yeah, they look so good. They have a cute, pretty shine. That color is just so natural looking. It looks so good on my nails. Like, wait till I dress them up. Wait till I dress them up. No, wait till I dress them up. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.